the airport. How many hours? How many minutes is it? 2 hours. 2 hours plus to Heathrow. 2 hours plus to Heathrow. It's now 4:41, so we will be there like around 6:23. See you later. It's the morning. Hello, big man. He's lost in his whatever he's doing there. This was the holiday hair that we made with the lady in Newport. Really lovely. I love the highlights. I love the pinky. The pinkies. Is it highlights? Is that what you call them, Becky? The highlights, yes. I love them. See? That's mine. And I will show you Becky's one later. Yeah. I don't miss that. Hey. Okay, now I got it. That corner. Stay one place. Mommy, wait now, let me do it. Let me see. I'm showing the people what your hair looks like. Really? Person inside the picture. This person does.
You updated diamond.
No, I've not. You should have done it, right? Yeah, I forgot.
I don't know where to start. I don't know.
So, this director was supposed to.
Becky, come now.
Where is it the passengers? Why is he in the passengers?
This is our apartment. Let me take you on a quick tour. We have a bedroom, master bedroom. Nice little master bedroom. Clean linen towels washed and ready. And a tray holder. We just came in, so our suitcases are still here with locks on them. We have a little TV here. Look at this. You see now, Daniel, see the thing I was telling you guys? In Nigeria, every house has AC like this. And they have the inside unit and the outside unit. They call it split units. Yeah, we don't have this in the UK. UK, they have heater. So this is the dining area. The man was here giving us a little tour, a little instruction or information about Santorini. And these are all if you're into Greek mythology, then I think these are all their, the peeps. And this is this is the spare room. I think my son and daughter, they are going to share this room. They're going to survive here somehow. And this is the kitchen diner. So we can have breakfast here. We can have dinner there. There's another little sitting area outside. This is the kitchen, the hob, and the fridge. Beautiful. It's got mosquito netting. Things I haven't seen in a while, actually. See, we don't have stuff like this in the UK because there's no need for it. But we have bugs, we have insects coming in, disturbing us. So, yeah. Beautiful. I'm going to be into the coffee. That same evening, B and I went out to have a look at the surroundings. Lots of grapevine farms, grape orchards everywhere. And the grapes just seemed to be sprawling around. They were just everywhere. I just stood out there and took a few photos. And that's where I'm going to end it for this video. Thank you so much. I hope you're going to stick around for episodes 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.